Hello everyone. In this video, we are explaining how to create a coach type such as 2 plus 1 sleeper or 2 plus 2 seater. We will show how to create these codes. Click on the main menu tab. On the booking page, you will see the main menu. Here, you can find the manage option. Under manage, you will see coach types. Click on coach type. Now the coach type page is open. Here, you can see that multiple coach types have already been created. You can also create new codes here. To create new codes, click on the Create New button. Now, the new code creation page is open. For example, if we want to create a seater or sleeper, we need to mention the coach type name here. First, we will create a sleeper. 2 plus 1 sleeper, 32 seats. Next, we move to the lower tag. Now we are creating a sleeper, 2 plus 1 seat. We can click on the lower type, then select 2 plus 1. The total sitter is 0 and the total sleeper is set according to the bus capacity. The seat type is 32. For the bus type, click on this field. We can choose the bus type such as 2 plus 1 Bharat bench or 2 plus 1 Volvo 9600 premium or 2 plus 1 Volvo multi-axle. Choose the correct bus type based on what is needed. In the drop-down, the name is already available, so we can select that. For example, now we are selecting 2 plus 1 Bharat bench or 2 plus 1 Volvo 9600. If the bus is AC, click on this field. If it is an AC bus, we can select AC. If it is non-AC, select non-AC. For this example, we will select AC. If the bus has video, click on this field. If video is provided in this bus, we can select video. We are not providing any videos, so you can select the non-view option. Here we can see the type numbers. Click on this field. Sleeper will appear as an alphabet and seater will appear as a number. If we want the sleeper in numbers and the seater in alphabets, we can select the second option. If we do not want either of these options and want a custom seat number, meaning we want to enter the seat numbers manually, we can select custom seat number. Next, select the course layout. Click on this course layout field. All 32 created seat types are shown here. We can see the ID numbers 80, 89, 91, 47, 14, and 9. These are the already created course type ID numbers. From these, we can select the seat type we want. Just keep the cursor on it and we will be able to see the view as well. Alternatively, we can select the coach and it will appear here. We can also see that the post type is available on the right side. Here this coach is exactly the same as the first type we are using. We are showing the same coach. Then we can select it. Here we can see that both options appear and by default SS is shown. Okay? Then we can select here. This is the per month. This line is the lower part. The complete line above is the upper part. This entire line is the lower part. Then this is also the lower berth and this is a double lower bar. Both of these are double lower bars. And this is the upper bar. Both lines here belong to the double upper section. This is the gangway and the last one is horizontal. You can click on this horizontal option. Then we can enter the seat numbers. Whatever seat numbers we want, 1, 2, we can enter a 1, B1, C1. Like this, we can enter them. Or if we do not want these numbers and prefer the default numbers, then we can select here in the drop-down, sleeper alphabet and seater numbers or sleeper numbers and seater alphabets. So, for example, if we select alphabet for sleeper and number for seater, we will see sleeper seat numbers shown as alphabets. Then click on Create. Now we can see the post type. 32 has been created. Currently, it is in proposed status. To activate it, select this one. Again, we can click on Edit. Here, the status is proposed. Click on this and select In Service. Then scroll down, then Activate. Now this course type is active. We can now use this course in any route. Next, we want to create a seater. Again, we can see that the Create New option is available. Then we can click on Create New. Here we can mention to add a seater. It can be 40-seater or 41-seater based on your bus type and the total seat count you have. You can mention that seat count here. For example, now we are mentioning 40 for the test. Next, we can see the lower tag. Click on this field. You can select 2 plus 2. Then the total seater capacity of the bus is 40. So you can select 40 here. There is no sleeper in this bus, so we can keep it as 0. Next, for bus type, click on this. Here, we can see all bus types available in the list. You can select which bus type you are using. For example, if we have a 2+2, we can choose a seater executive or another type. Multiple seater options are also available. All bus types are already in the drop-down. Once you find your bus type, you can select it. For example, now we are selecting bench seater. If this is an AC bus, then you can select AC. If it is non-AC, you can select non-AC. If this bus provides videos or TV, then you can click on video. If it is not available, we can click on no videos. Then we follow the same steps again. Here we can see and select seat numbers. We have options for sleeper, alphabets, seater numbers, sleeper numbers, and seater alphabets. We can also select custom, which means we need to enter the seat numbers manually. Now we are selecting sleeper number and seater alphabet. Next we click on seat levered coach. Here we can see all the 40-seater bus types that have already been created available in the drop-down menu. We need to select the correct one. We select that one only. We can see all 40 options here. This is the 40C. In the middle, there is a C, and at this entrance, there is no seat. If this seat type does not match our bus, then we can click on this option to choose a different one. And here, we can select multiple options that are correct. Okay, now we see that this party is coming. This bus type is correct and matches our bus. We can select this one only. Then we can select here on the lower bar. Lower berth and lower berth because the center is completely included under the lower berth only. There is no upper part. So we are selecting both sides as the lower part tone. Then after this selection, just scroll down. Just click on create. Now this 2+2 40-seater course type has been created. Now this status is in proposal. To activate this, click on edit. For status, click on this. Change from proposed to in service. Then scroll down and just update. Now you can see 2+2 40-seater. Now it is showing in service. It is active now. This bus type, host type, can be used in any route for regular, one-day or alternate purposes. You can use the created codes types. In the future, if you want to create any type of course type like sleeper, seater or sleeper-cum-seater, you can follow the same process and create multiple post tags from your end as well. Thank you for watching the video. No information